Wait, Samuel wants to say bye. Yeah, say wait. Yeah, wave to Papa.
Say bye-bye.
Tell him bye-bye. Oh, that's a sweet boy. You blow kisses? Blow kisses. Say love, love. Yeah. Hey, Dad, do 1, 2, 3. Yeah, that one. One more time. Say, okay, Papa.
Okay, I'll let you go.
Oh, he's waving to you. Okay, say bye-bye. I know. Mwah. Say we love you. We'll talk to you this week.
Okay, go take care.
Okay, bye, Dad.